Welcome to Record Collections in Ancestry Library Edition, brought to you by the Halton Hills Public Library. In this video, we'll take a look at the various record collections that you can search in Ancestry Library Edition. If you need help accessing Ancestry Library Edition or learning how to search the database, please see our other help videos in the Researching Your Family History series. From the home page of Ancestry Library Edition, you will find links to search different record collections. Links to search census, vitals, military, and immigration records are provided, along with other quick links to popular search categories. Limiting a search to one category can be helpful when you are trying to find a particular type of record and want to limit unrelated results from appearing in your search. Let's take a look at the four main categories. Clicking on the Search Census Collection will let you search directly within the Canadian Census Collection. This includes Census of Canada records from 1825 to 1921. The 1921 Census of Canada is the most recent census made publicly available. This collection also contains the 1770 Census of Nova Scotia and the Nova Scotia Census, Assessment, and Poll Tax records from 1770 to 1795, 1827, and 1838. If you are looking for census information from places other than Canada, go to the homepage of Ancestry Library Edition. Click on Search from the menu at the top of the page, and then click on Census and Voter Lists to go to the full census record collection. You can also navigate to other record categories from this list on the homepage. Selecting the Search Vitals collection from the homepage will bring you to the record collection for birth, marriage, and death records. Most vital records on Ancestry will be for an index that links to images of actual records. However, there are some records that need to be requested from the place where the record is held. For these records, indexes will provide information to help you request the record. If you find your ancestor in an index, be sure to click on the database title and look at the description to learn how to request the actual record. The full record will typically include details not found in the index. The military collection contains records of the Canadian forces and other militaries around the world. The Canadian collection features records from British Army service in Canada in the 18th and 19th centuries, the Soldiers of the First World War collection, and more recent records through to the 1960s. Clicking on Search Immigration brings you to the records collection for immigration and travel. In this record set, you will find immigration records from Canada, the United Kingdom, the United States, and several other countries around the world. The records include such things as passenger arrival records, naturalization records, border crossings, emigration records, passports, and convict transportation records. You might even be able to find a photograph of the ship on which an ancestor sailed to arrive in a new land. From the homepage, you'll also find quick links to other record collections in Ancestry. Public Member Trees lets you search for a common ancestor in a family tree that has been shared by another user. Sharing a family tree is available to paid subscribers of Ancestry, but not those using the free library edition. Finding your ancestor on someone else's tree can sometimes help you find new information for your own research. Keep in mind, however, that family trees shared by others may contain mistakes, so you might want to do your own research into an ancestor found on someone else's tree. Records included in collections such as city directories, schools, directories, and church histories, and maps, atlases, and gazetteers can help create a more detailed picture of a place and time in which your ancestor lived. In these records, you might find street directories, lists of businesses, churches, cemeteries, and hotels in a community, school alumni lists and yearbooks, and historical information on seats of government, public institutions, churches, and charitable organizations. We hope this has helped explain some of the important record collections available for searching to further your research into your family history. If you would like to learn more about using Ancestry Library Edition with the Halton Hills Public Library, look for additional videos in our Researching Your Family History series. Good luck with your research!